Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the JBL Flip Essential Bluetooth speaker. This rugged speaker gets IPX7 water resistance, which means you can carry it for your pool parties and outdoor trips. In addition to this, it offers battery backup of 10 hours. You can charge it after that using the micro USB port built into the speaker. Then, if you're running really low on battery, you also have 3.5mm audio jack to support wired music experience. So let's get started with the top features of this speaker. Okay, so like every other Bluetooth speaker from the Flip series from JBL, this looks quite identical in terms of the design and the look and feel. It's got this cylindrical shape and it's got these drivers on the sides with the JBL branding, as you can see, and then you have the JBL branding over here as well. So clearly JBL wants people to recognize that this is a JBL speaker, and Flip Essential is nothing different than that. In terms of controls, now you have these buttons over here built embossed into the speaker, and it's got this mesh design. As you can see, this mesh design is again it's a very common Flip thing that we've seen across the market, and the Flip Essential is also getting that touch. Then you have these buttons, this rubberous button, then you have this Bluetooth button. So when you press this Bluetooth button for more than a few seconds, what you do is the pairing starts for the speaker. You'll see the speaker is visible on your phone settings. Just tap on it and the pairing is done. Then you have the volume plus and minus button. So let's say if you're not very close to a phone and you want to reduce or increase the volume, so you can use these buttons, and you can also use the playback button to stop the music or play music as well whenever required. You have this power button again built into the speaker, this rubber touch button. It's a touch panel kind of button. So you just tap on this button and the speaker will turn on, and then you will see these 5 lights lighting up, which basically means that the speaker's battery is fully charged. And just in case if it's really low, you'll see a beep or like a dip or a clip happening within the lights, and you'll see probably a red light flashing on you. Right next to those LED lights, you have this port flap over here. Now, since this has got IPX7 water resistance, which means you want to secure all your ports, and JBL has done that with the Flip Essential. So you have this micro USB port over here, and then you have this 3.5mm jack. So now this 3.5mm connector is interesting because if you're running really low on the battery, and let's say you want to use the speaker with a desktop or a phone with a headphone jack, you can use the 3.5mm connector, use a 3.5mm cable, and you can connect it in the wired mode so that you don't really have to worry about battery life running out. So we've already talked about the IPX7 nature of the speaker, which means that it can easily handle a bit of water splashes and a quick submerge into the water as well. So it's ideal for your pool parties, and you can take it for your outdoor trips, and you can also use it for your indoor use as well. So that's something which again makes this an all condition 24/7 kind of a music experience speaker. Then you have this hand strap over here, and this is again something, one of the big essentials that we've seen with rugged speakers over the years. This basically means that you can tag it along to your bag or a bike, and you don't really have to worry about carrying it along everywhere. And since it's quite portable and it's quite lightweight, you can easily do that without feeling any kind of discomfort wherever you are. So these are all in terms of the features and everything, and even though it's lightweight, you get up to 10 hours of battery life. So that's quite good, because battery life of 10 hours is quite good for a size of and dimension of the speaker. And then you have micro USB port for charging, which we've already talked about. So you can just plug the micro USB cable, use this micro USB cable that comes inside the box. You put the other side of the USB to a power adapter or a power bank, and the charging is done, and it takes very quick time, so it's not going to be a long time before you can start using the speaker all over again. And since this is a Bluetooth speaker, it definitely gets a microphone, so you can take hands-free calls as well. So these are all kind of features that you get with the Flip Essential, and something that people are looking forward to these days. So to sum it up, Flip Essential basically gives you IPX7 water resistance, which means you can carry it for your outdoor trips and even pool parties. Then you have battery life up to 10 hours, and you have 2 different kind of music experience modes. So you can listen to it using Bluetooth connectivity that works with Android and iOS smartphone, and you have the wired mode as well. So you have this 3.5mm connector, which lets you connect the speakers to a desktop or even a phone with a headphone jack, which usually is a very common feature with most of the affordable smartphones in the market. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.